Do you want to know what $2.1 million buys you in North Redondo Beach? Well, today I am going to take you on a tour of a new construction property so you can find out. Hi, I'm Ashley Novak with Novak Schultz Real Estate Group at Compass, and we get calls every day from people just like you looking to make a move to the South Bay and LA area, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text, or schedule a Zoom, or if you just have some questions, we are here to help. So today I am going to take you on a tour of a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,600 square foot new construction home located in the Villa South neighborhood of North Redondo Beach. And the Villa South neighborhood is located between the El Nido and Golden Hills sections of North Redondo Beach. You're in a great location. You're less than 2.5 miles to the Hermosa Beach Pier, and you're less than 1.5 miles to the South Bay Galleria that's currently under construction. And if you want more information about the North Redondo Beach neighborhoods, I am going to link a video above so you can check that. And that really dives into everything so you can get the full scope of North Redondo. So this townhouse is located on an R2 lot. And what an R2 lot means, if you're not familiar, is that for properties that are over 6,000 square feet, you can have 1 unit for every 2,900 square feet. So this is a 7,500 square foot lot. So there's 2 units on the property. And even though it's a townhouse, it does feel like a single family home because the townhouses are detached and each of the townhouses have a yard. And you have a very traditional floor plan on these types of properties. So whereas some of the R3 lots, you're gonna have 3 levels where you walk in, there's bedrooms, and then you walk to the 2nd floor, and then that's your living space. When you walk in, you're gonna have your living, dining, and kitchen on the 1st level, and then all of your bedrooms are located on the 2nd level. And this is a very nicely done townhouse. You have a lot of storage, you have a nice fireplace, and you have the open concept floor plan. You have a nice big island with quartz countertop with storage as well, the tile backsplash, and some of the new construction townhouses, they don't have the refrigerators and they don't have the air conditioning units, but this unit actually has the refrigerator. So you have a Thermador refrigerator, the 6-burner Thermador range and oven, and a Thermador dishwasher. And then you have the under-the-counter microwave as well. And this unit has the dual-zoned air conditioning that comes included. And you can walk right out here to your backyard, so you can have the indoor-outdoor living, and you have a very nice-sized backyard, so it really does feel like a single-family home. And HOA dues on these properties are around $150. It's just to take care of the maintenance of the lawn. But it's only 2 people in the HOA, so once you move into the property, you and your neighbor can discuss and make any decisions on that. You're also located in Redondo Unified School District, so children would attend Bernie Elementary, Adams Middle, and Redondo Union. And Redondo Unified is one of the top-rated school districts in Los Angeles and in the South Bay. And you have a powder room down here as well. And direct access to the garage, and you have a 2-car garage with some storage in here. And you also have a central vac system. So we're gonna check out the upstairs. So all of the bedrooms are located on the 2nd level, but you also have a nice little bonus space area that you could, it's being used as like a family room. It could be a playroom, an office, and you have balconies right off of this space. And then you have another balcony off of one of the bedrooms as well, which is really nice. And you have a front yard in this unit. So on our 2 lots, the front unit is going to have a front yard and a backyard. So it really does feel like a single family home. And they have this stage as an office. And again, you have a balcony over here, but this could be used as a bedroom. In these bedrooms, you don't have any walk-in closets for any of the rooms except the primary. but you do have nice size closets with the built-ins already in there. And this room actually shares a bathroom. So you have the Jack and Jill bathroom with the other bedroom. And so you essentially do have an ensuite bathroom for every bedroom, with 2 of the bedrooms sharing. And they're nice sized bedrooms. So this would be the Jack and Jill, that would be 2 great kids rooms to share. And you have, this could be an additional bedroom, and you have an ensuite bathroom or a guest bedroom, whatever you'd want to use it for. And you have the laundry room here. So you have a nice laundry space, and it's right next to the master, which is super convenient. And you have a lot of storage to this home. And I would say the primary bedroom of this home is probably my favorite. It's huge. You have space for a sitting area. You have the nice vaulted tall ceilings as well. And you even get views from this room all the way to Palos Verdes. You get the nice quintessential California palm trees that you get to look at every day. And you have 2 closets. In this home, you're not getting huge, massive closets, but for a home this size, you are getting a good size closet. So you have the hers and the his, which is always much smaller than the hers. And then here is the primary bathroom. So you have a nice size shower, and then you have the standalone bathtub. It's all nice and white, very clean. Great primary bathroom. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you found some value. And remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text, or schedule a Zoom. All of our information is in the description below, and we'd love to help you. And if you just have any questions about the South Bay and LA area, we are here to help. And if you're interested in new construction, we work with a lot of builders and developers in the area, and we have a lot of new projects coming up, and we'd be happy to add you to our interest list. We will see you next time.